Hi, I'm Cristina. I come from Madrid, Spain. I study here at ESEI Business Management. I graduated at 2021 and now I'm working for the European Commission. I think ESEI was a wonderful experience to get an international experience here in Barcelona, getting to know a lot of people from all around the world and having also a working experience before going into the real world. Definitely would recommend it. I studied aerospace engineering in Madrid, and when I finished I really was not really sure where I wanted to work in the future. So ESEI gave me this experience of going into real projects before going into the real world, and also the international environment. So I could see like a broader overview of the opportunities that I could have beyond, thanks to ESEI. So what I liked the most about the program was definitely the international environment that I found here in Barcelona. It was very easy to get to know people from all around the world, and also the experience of having projects that are really for real companies. For me, it was very important to have hands-on experience before going into the real working experience. So I could see like I was prepared when actually I was taking my first job, that I could be in part of an international environment. I could be able to handle things enough prepared before going into the experience. So after I graduated, I worked here in Barcelona for a couple of years with international students, but it was after the COVID that I moved to Brussels, and now I'm working in several European initiatives that encourage entrepreneurship around a space ecosystem, but also working right now at the European Commission. So I will definitely recommend him to go into the networking experience. Like, it's very important the people that you met here in an international environment. You never know that these people might have important in your career life. So I think it's very important to make connections, to be open, to be always kind, and then support people with whatever you want. The abroad experience was not that difficult for me, but definitely recommend Barcelona as an international environment. I found here like a really great community of people, passionate, motivated, and willing to do a career here in Barcelona, in Spain, or any part of the world. So I really enjoyed the experience and definitely would recommend to come here and study at ESEI.